Hey guys, so this is a follow-up video to the interior lighting. Today we're gonna go ahead and replace the glove box light and the center console light to LEDs so I can match everything else. It just came in today. Should be a fairly quick install. Let's get started. We'll go ahead and start with the center console first. So this is how they look. They come in about a pack of 10. They are fairly small. See if I can focus that for you. There it is. So it's like 3 LEDs. We're gonna go ahead and replace what's in here. Those right there. Alright, so you just want to pry this out. Alright, now we got the light bulb out. It's a twist, and there you see the bulb. Go ahead and try and firmly grip it. Alright, let me get a tool real quick. Alright, so you want to grab a needle nose pliers and you want to pinch the bulb. Don't pinch it too hard to crack it, but just enough to get some grip, and there you go. Pull it right out. So there's your bulb there. Well, looks like it's bigger. The LED ones are much bigger. Let's see if they fit well. There you go. And push that in. And let's go ahead and put it back on. Snap it back into place. There it is, and let's give it a test. And it does not work. Let's see what went wrong. Maybe it's polarity. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. Maybe turn it. Oh yes, it is polarity. Whew. Alright, let me turn it off real quick. Snap it onto place. And now let's give it a test. There we go. Alright, works just fine. A little bit brighter. We'll definitely see when it comes when it gets dark. Next, the glove box. Alright, so it looks like the one in the glove box is a little bit more difficult to get to. And show you. There it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and use those needle nose pliers to pull it out again. So to change the glove box one, I went ahead and pulled down the glove box, and I went ahead and pried the top trim off to access the light bulb. It's right here, if you can see. Let me get some light for you. There we go. So that is where the bulb. I pulled the bulb out already, and I'll show you how I place it in. So pretty much you go under here, and you can see how to place the light bulb in. All right, let's go ahead and put the bulb in. Alright, so you got it here. We're going to go ahead and align it. And just push it right in. There we go. Alright, it's in. Let me just turn it on just to make sure I got the polarity right. There we go, it's on. All right, that's all there is to it. Now I'm gonna pop everything back into place and we'll see how it looks. All right, everything's back in place and nice and bright. All right, there's that for the update. Now I believe all my interior lighting is LED, all upgraded to white LED. If you have any requests or comments, questions, please comment below, let me know. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.